Children, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Today we start reproduction in animals. तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कि रिप्रोडक्शन एनिमल्स में कैसे होती है. यू माइट नो द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन. आपको पता है कि जो डाइजेशन का जो प्रोसेस है वो क्या है. सर्कुलेशन एंड रिस्पायरेशन. उसके बाद सर्कुलेशन होता है और रिस्पायरेशन. दीज प्रोसेसेस आर एसेंशियल फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ एवरी इंडिविजुअल्स. यू माइट आल्सो know about the process of reproduction in plants. Reproduction is essential for the continuation of a species. Imagine what would have happened if organisms had not reproduced. You will realize that reproduction is very important as it ensures the continuation of similar kinds of individuals generation after generation. In this chapter, we shall learn how reproduction takes place in animals. Mode of reproduction. Have you seen the young ones of different animals? Try to name some of the young ones by completing table 4.1 as shown in examples at sheet number 1 to 7. You must have also seen the young ones of various animals being born. Can you tell how chicks and caterpillars are born? How are kittens and puppies born? Do you think that these young ones looked the same before they were born? Let us find out. Just as in plants, there are two modes by which animals reproduce. These are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. You know that plants that reproduce sexually have male and female reproductive parts. Can you name these parts? In animals, also males and females have different reproductive parts of organs. Like plants, the reproductive parts in animals also produce gametes that fuse to form a zygote. It is the zygote which develops into an individual. This type of reproduction, beginning from the fusions of male and female gamete, is called sexual reproduction. Let us find out the reproductive parts in humans and study the process of reproduction in them. Male reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs include a pair of testes, singular testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. The testes produce the male gametes called sperms. Millions of sperms are produced by the testes. Look at Fig 4.1, which shows the picture of a sperm. Though sperms are very small in size, each has a head, a middle piece, and a tail. Does it appear to be a single cell? Indeed, each sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. Female reproductive organs. The female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, oviducts, fallopian tubes, and the uterus. Ovary produces female gametes called ova. In human beings, a single matured egg is released into the oviduct by one of the ovaries every month. Uterus is the part where development of the baby takes place. Like the sperms, an egg is also a single cell. This is human ovum. Yasir calls that the size of eggs in humans varies. The egg may be very small as in humans, much larger as in hens. Ostrich egg is the largest. Fertilization. The first step in the process of reproduction is the fusion of a sperm and an ovum. When sperms come in contact with an egg, one of the sperms may fuse with the egg. Such fusions of the egg and the sperms is called fertilizations. Fig 4.5. During fertilizations, the nuclei of the sperms and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg or zygote. The process of fertilization is the meeting of an egg cell from the mother and a sperm cell from the father. So the new individual inherits some characteristic from the mother and some from the father. Look at your brother or sister. See if you can recognize some characters in them similar to those of your mother or your father. Fertilization, which takes place inside the female body, is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilizations occur in many animals, including humans, cows, dogs, and hens. Okay, children, आज हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.